Follow these 4 simple steps to complete your official entry. Take note, starts April 25th, Thursday. Go to MDI Facebook page. 1. Take a screenshot showing that you've liked our Facebook page. Click the 3 dots on the right side. Select Invite Friends. Click Select All. Click Send Invites. Take a screenshot. Direct message our MDI Facebook page with 2 screenshots you captured from step 1 and 2. Send us a video showcasing your musical talents, whether it's playing an instrument or mixing with a DAW, or simply provide a link to your performance.
Okay, so ayun, pag lahat ng entry nyo pumasok na, dito natin ilalagay yan. Then, malalaman na natin kung sino winner.